Zelfs met krieten vastgelegd voor de mensen die niet op de garagedeur kijken. Spanish lessons. In Italië zeggen ze dan attenzione al cane, hè?
Attenzione al cane.
Maar wat is hond in het Spaans ook alweer eens?
Fu.
Iets met een P. Er is immers in de casa. Hallo!
Hi!
Niet schrikken!
I don't speak Netherlands, sorry. Just English.
But you teach Spanish?
Yes.
But you don't speak Dutch?
Een klein beetje.
Oh, een klein beetje. Ook niet een heel klein beetje voor een gesprekje met ons?
Ik denk nee.
Oh.
Mijn Nederlands is niet genoeg voor een gesprek.
Maar u bent van Aragon?
Cecilia Rivas, Aragon.
Oké. Sorry. And if we try English, will that be better for you?
Maybe yes.
So when people come to you to learn Spanish, you translate in English.
Usually yes, and when the people don't speak English, I try to explain in Netherlands.
Okay.
But my Netherlands is very basic.
Okay.
But for basic Spanish, basic Netherlands is enough.
Okay. By the way, my name is Bas.
Cecilia.
Cecilia, we are from the broadcast
Okay.
company from Limburg,
Okay.
and we make a show. We drive around, and we improvise spontaneous conversations.
Okay.
So we saw the little sign in your garden, Spanish lessons,
Yes.
Aragon, and we thought, well, that could be maybe a nice conversation because I expected someone from Spain to open the door.
I am from Mexico.
You are from Mexico. Ah.
Yes.
But they also talk Spanish in Mexico.
From Mexico to Argentina, 600 million people speak Spanish.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot.
But Cecilia, how did you land here in Eijsden of all places when you are from Mexico?
My husband works for DHL, a German company. And first we lived 3 years in Germany. And then the company moved my husband to Maastricht. He works in Maastricht. But Eijsden is a nice town for a living.
So you like it here?
Yes, we like it.
Okay. And
A lot.
how long are you now here in?
8 years.
8 years?
3 years in Netherlands and 3 years in Germany and 4 years in the US. Then
Okay.
we have been moving a little bit.
And which country did you like best?
Netherlands.
Of course. Was that an honest answer?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It was good.
And why do you like Holland better than?
Better. Okay. It's a safe country, clean country. People speak 2 or 3 languages, and people is not so materialistic in America.
People are not.
So
Sorry.
superficial or
Yes.
materialist, like
Yes,
some
yes.
in the US.
Yes.
And I prefer here that Germany, because we had this problems with the language in Germany. We had to learn a little bit of German because it was difficult to communicate in English.
Yes.
And here, okay, we learn a little bit of Dutch, but with English, it's not really a big problem to communicate.
But that's maybe also a reason why you don't learn Dutch.
That's
because
also, yes,
you...
it's an deal and a voordeel. Yes.
Nadeel en voordeel.
Yes.
We are standing next to each other now, so we are a combination Mexico, Netherlands. I know another combination, Mexico, Netherlands. Do you know what I mean?
No,
Two people, one from Mexico, one from the Netherlands.
I don't know. My friend, Mexican married.
Formula One?
Verstappen and Sergio Perez.
Checo Perez.
Yes.
Do you are you following the?
No, not
You
really.
don't like no?
No,
Okay.
not really. I know some things because of my husband, but not really. I don't.
Okay.
I don't follow them.
But he watches the Formula One. Your husband?
Sometimes, otherwise, he sees just the news and he realizes the result of the
Okay.
Formula One race.
Okay. So no Checo Perez fans.
Well, not really.
Do you miss Mexico? Your home country?
Yes, because except for my husband and my two sons in Europe, we are alone. All friends and the rest of the family is in Mexico. Then yes, but we chose to live here because of my husband's work, and we have to live with the consequences of the decision we took.
Yeah. And from what part of Mexico are you?
Mexico City,
Ah,
just 22 million people.
only, yeah. 22 million
Then just a
people.
little bit different to Eijsden.
Yeah. So you were actually born and raised in the big city.
Yes.
Okay. And now you live in Eijsden.
12,000 people. Yes. But it's fine.
Yeah?
Yes, it is fine.
Okay. And the Spanish lessons are that is your main occupation?
Here, yes, because I studied psychology, but when we start moving, I couldn't work as a psychologist anymore. Then a good way to keep me busy is to teach Spanish.
Wow. But that's a big. Don't you miss your profession, being a psychologist?
When I got married, we started moving to the US, and then I decided to follow my husband. He had the main salary and start having kids. Then I decided to step aside from the psychologist and to take care of my two kids and follow my husband. Then. But now teaching Spanish is not that.
Are you keeping busy with teaching Spanish?
2 or 3 hours a day, then it's not bad.
Okay.
And my friendly dog, not friendly at all, but
I forgot the Spanish word for dog.
Perro.
Perro. Okay. What kind of race is it?
White, small schnauzer,
Ah, Schnauzer.
but it's not very.
Is he? Did you pick him up in Germany?
No, we bought him in Leeuwarden
Ah,
5 years ago.
een Friese Schnauzer. A Frisian Schnauzer. What kind of people do you teach? Are the people who want to go to, on holiday and
Or to live there when they pension. Yes, mostly people who already are thinking to move there, or people who used to travel very often to Spain, and some young people, but not the main students of my are really.
So lots of pensionados.
Sí, a lot of them. It's fine.
And do you still speak only Spanish with your husband?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, and with the dog also.
Ah, with the dog also. But he never talks back.
Sometimes.
He barks in Spanish. Yes. And you said you have two sons?
Yes.
Where do they live?
The oldest, who is 29, lives in Germany, in Berlin, and the younger, that is 27, lives in Barcelona.
You visit them often?
No, they visit us more often than we go there.
Okay. And why is that?
If we go every time we have holidays to Berlin and Barcelona, all our holidays are going to be there, and we want to travel and to know more places.
But they are also happy living in big cities?
Yes, they are happy. They are young.
They are young. Are they married?
No, not yet.
No kids?
No kids. Maybe later they want to live in a small city, I don't know, but now they are happy in big cities.
Are you looking forward to becoming a grandmother, maybe? More family, you know?
Maybe,
Maybe,
maybe.
but not now.
Not now.
And your husband is he's now working?
Yes, in DHL in Maastricht.
Okay. But is somebody working here, so doing the vacuuming?
Yes. Yes, one person who is helping me.
So you can teach
Yes.
and play with the dog?
Yes.
Okay. Can I?
Yes.
Can I assist? Dankjewel.
Thank you.
I'm also part-time postman.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody has to pay the bills at home.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias,
Por nada.
Cecilia.